Cunningham Transport is Factory 5's premier shipper and has been for over 20 years. We have highly specialized equipment allowing us to provide safe, unparalleled door-to-door service for your kit. We specialize in shipping uncrated kits with no forklift and no dock needed, and all our drivers are trained by Factory 5 on how to load and secure each kit to ensure it arrives safely. If you have an international shipment, we can also ship your kit crated. Each kit comes with 15 to 40 boxes, along with any extra body parts you ordered. You will be asked to verify inventory as it comes off the truck by noting each box on the inventory list that is provided. Once the cart is loaded, it can be safely rolled to its destination. Now we can unload the main frame and body of the car with our unique sliding crane system. With products manufactured by Factory 5, we are able to connect them to the crane. The crane system allows us to safely unload the shipment. We lower it down onto a customized four-wheel moving dolly. Once the kit is on the dolly, it is easy to transition into your garage, shop, or shed. All you need to supply is a space and 4 jack stands. For safe and reliable shipping of your car, contact Cunningham Transport.